Hello, my name is Brett McGill, CEO and President here at MarineMax. And on behalf of our 1,600 team members, we'd like to thank you for your business. Your business is very important to us, and it's very important that we have you out on the water, safe and happy and enjoying time with your family and friends. Many of our team are around the country right now at all of our stores working hard to provide a better boating experience for all of you.
From Sarasota, Florida, on this beautiful 75-degree day, we just want to say Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us at MarineMax in Minnesota,
Happy Thanksgiving!
Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Bayport.
from the team at MarineMax Clearwater,
Happy Thanksgiving!
Everyone here at MarineMax Dallas, we want to wish you a
Happy Thanksgiving!
From MarineMax in Panama City Beach,
Happy Thanksgiving! Gobble gobble!
From all of us at MarineMax Lake Norman, Happy Thanksgiving.
From all of us here at MarineMax Charleston,
Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us here at MarineMax Lake Apacon,
Happy Thanksgiving!
from everyone at MarineMax Island Marine in Ocean View, New Jersey,
Happy Thanksgiving!
on behalf of MarineMax Pensacola,
We would like to wish you a Happy Thanksgiving.
From our family to your family, Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Missouri.
Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Baltimore.
Hello everyone, Christian Gonzalez, General Manager of MarineMax Miami Beach. From our entire team here, we wanted to give thanks to all of our customers for a fantastic year. Thank you for your time, for your trust, for your loyalty in us. And from the entire team, we want to wish you a
Happy Thanksgiving!
from all of us at MarineMax St. Petersburg, we want to say
Happy Thanksgiving!
From MarineMax Dania Beach in Florida, from our families to yours,
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving from MarineMax Boston!
I'm Ashlyn, the Marketing and Events Coordinator for MarineMax Gulf Shores. And on behalf of everyone here, we want to wish you a very happy Thanksgiving.
from MarineMax Orlando,
Happy Thanksgiving!
From our family to yours, on behalf of MarineMax Palm Beach,
Happy Thanksgiving!
From our family here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, we want to wish you a very
Happy Thanksgiving!
From all of us at MarineMax Ball Ridge, Georgia.
Happy Thanksgiving!
We're down here enduring the frigid temperatures here on the Intercoastal Waterway in Venice, Florida. We wanted to say to all of our customers, our friends, and our family that we have so much to be thankful for. And for Venice, Florida, we say
Happy Thanksgiving! Happy holidays from MarineMax Naples!
from our MarineMax family in Southwest Florida to yours, we would like to wish you a very
Happy Thanksgiving!
On behalf of MarineMax and all of our team members across the country, we'd like to wish you a happy Thanksgiving and have a great holiday season. And we'll hope to see you out on the water soon.